She's already a little bit warmed up. Let's go for a hoon. This car is so much fun. This car is also very scary at times when you have the ESP off. Now this car at the moment is pretty factory. It's pretty unmodified. The only thing that is done to this car is a secondary cat delete. So I think I want to start putting some mods in this car. But I'm just not too sure where to start really. Leave a comment below if you guys have any ideas for what I could start doing to this car. I definitely need to get the car tuned at some point. That is definitely on the agenda. I love this car so much. I've been thinking of doing a video where I break down the cost of this car and how much it actually costs me to own this car, how much it costs me to buy it and stuff like that. Just a video on what it's actually like to own this car really. Especially at an age of 21. Insurance is not cheap on a car like this. It is all worth it though, worth every penny. I need to get the headlights cleaned. I also want to black out this badge and all the other chrome badging. I think that would look sick. Let me know what you guys think. Just want to show you guys the view over here real quick. Rightio, let's get back on the road. I just realized AC was on, I just turned it off. Definitely do not need air conditioning at the moment, that's for sure. Whew. Little bit of accidental wheel spin there. Very easy to do in this car, I'll tell you that much. Oh, there's a very steep hill over here. Go drive up here, eh? Watch how fast this car munches this fucking hill. That was a bit gnarly. Feels like a fucking roller coaster when you go up a hill like that. Fucking hell. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.